List down the adjective and the noun it describes in the columns provided. First one has been done for you. You know that noun is a naming word and adjective is the word that describes a noun. Park Ali is a kind man. So man is a noun and kind is an adjective. The pencil is long. Pencil is a noun and long is an adjective. Ali is hungry. Ali is hungry. So Ali is a noun and hungry is an adjective. A small cat fell into the drain. So cat is a noun and small is an adjective. The smart student won a prize today. So student is a noun and smart is an adjective. Petronas Tower is a tall building. So building is a noun and tall is an adjective. Please give me some cold water. So water is a noun and cold is an adjective. The red car belongs to my brother, so car is a noun and red is an adjective. Pune Ramona's garden is pretty, so garden is a noun and pretty is an adjective. Comment the answer for the last one. Thank you.